Weak passwords are a gift to hackers. Here's how to fix yours. If your password is easy to remember, it's probably easy to crack. Let's set the scene. You've used the same password for years. It's your dog's name and a number. You use it for your MOD email, your Amazon account, even your gym app. Then one day your personal account gets breached, and now your military login is exposed too. This is exactly how attackers move from the personal to the professional. They don't start with classified systems. They start with your personal email, your social media, your online shopping. And if they get one password, they'll try it everywhere. Let's make this super simple. 1. A weak password is anything short, personal, or reused that includes Royal Navy 123. 2. Hackers use password cracking tools that can try millions of combinations a second. 3. If a breach happens on another site and you've reused the same password, they now have access to your MOD systems. 4. The best defense? Use long, unique passwords for every login. 5. A password manager can remember them. You don't have to. Why this will make you and the base hard to hack. Strong passwords protect access. And in this environment, access equals risk. One strong password can block 10 different attack routes. Next up, your password is the only thing between hackers and naval secrets. See you in the next video.